yung role siguro ng isang teacher when it comes to reducing the child labor ay napakalaki din. Siguro yung role niya is to encourage the child kung ano ba talaga yung maibubunga ng edukasyon. Kasi sinasabi natin na dapat yung mga bata kasi wala sa tubuhan, dapat sila ay nasa paaralan. Yung ano naman talaga ito ay dapat maintindihan ng mga bata o maunawaan nila kung ano yung role ng education sa kanilang buhay. Na ito yung bagay na tanging makukuha nila upang maiahon ang kanilang mga sarili doon sa kung ano man yung kinaugalian nila. The role of a teacher talaga is to have that heart really as a parent towards sa students. And not just siguro as a parent na yung talagang gusto lang talaga ay yung talagang best for the child. We must serve as an inspiration doon para sa mga bata.
I attended a series of TTS. First is the rollout in our district where I am one of the participants. It was a very enjoyable experience and I learned with my teachers. We have applied what we have learned from that seminar in our classroom instruction, specifically in producing instructional materials which are very enjoyable and encourage participation of the pupils. We also had catch-up programs conducted in this school, specifically in reading and in mathematics, and that has been very effective.
Nakakataba ng puso, nakakapagpapangiti ng puso kung nakikita mo yung bata na natututo.
In the 3 years of involvement in the project, as a school head, my task had been to strictly monitor the attendance of my pupils, and successfully in 3 years we had 0 dropout rate in our school because of the intervention of the Abaca 3 Leap project in our school.
And as a teacher siguro, we have the voice to tell the parents na dapat talaga sinusuportahan nila yung kanilang mga anak na pumasok sa paaralan. No, nakakasakit sa loob namin sometimes if we talk to parents na kailangan pumasok yung mga bata. Bata times talaga during harvest time at kapag nagtatanim, may mga times talaga that they have to work on sugarcane plantation. Role siguro ng teacher talagang encourage yung mga parents na katulad namin na dapat i-value din nila yung education para in the future mas may magandang kahihinatnan yung kanilang mga anak and for the generations to come.
I was encouraged by the PTA to join them in conducting series of talks among the PTA members in the whole district of Anilao, specifically on the matters of child protection and the issues of child labor in the whole municipality. One of the most important and the most effective initiatives of ERDA Foundation, or the Abaca 3 Leap project in specific, is the organization of the CLET-F, or the Child Labor Education Task Force. I am very much challenged in my role as the chairman of the Resource Mobilization Committee because this entails a lot of task for the sustainability of the program in our municipality. And our plan is our income from the fun run and the Barya Mo Karunungan Ko, which will be a yearly activity, will be used to augment the provision of school supplies among our learners in the whole municipality of Anilao.
Yung panawagan ko sa mga teachers na gamitin kung ano mang mayroon tayo na tinig upang mangampanya na magkaroon ng mga initiatives upang matulungan ang mga batang unfortunate enough na nagtatrabaho sa tubuhan. First and foremost siguro, yung pangihikayat ko ay yung magkaroon ng karagdagan na dedikasyon upang tingnan ng maigi yung mga sitwasyon ng mga batang ito. They are not just normal students. Though alam natin na every child is special, pero ito kasi sila mas higit na special at mas nangangailangan ng higit nating pagmamahal at atensyon. Alam ko, every child has a dream. May mapangarap ang mga batang yon. Kailangan lang nila ng tulong nating mga magulang, suporta at paglingap mula sa paligid nila. Kasi kahit anong gustuin nila matapos yung karera, yung race ng pagtakbo, kapag may mga obstacles na hadlang sa kanilang dinadaan at walang tumutulong sa kanila, hindi nila matatapos. So tayo, siguro as parents, maging kaagapay, as teachers, maging kaagapay tayo ng mga kabataan ito, pagtulungan. Kasi we cannot do this na tayo lang mag-isa o kayo lang mag-isa. Pagtutulungan kapit-bisig upang ang mga kabataan ito ay magkaroon ng mas magandang kinabukasan.